be sharing some frequently asked questions that we get here at MacMaids for our commercial as well as our residential cleaning. The first question is, will the initial cleaning take longer than the other ones that follow? The first cleaning always takes a little bit longer as we are looking to bring your home or your business up to maintenance level. You may be wondering, how much longer will it take? Well, the length truly depends on several factors, and some of those factors are the amount of pets, the amount of people that reside in the building or in your home, the amount of buildup, your decorating style even, and overall size of the building or of your home. Most of our clients prefer to schedule regular cleanings, whether it be bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly. So bi-weekly and every 4 weeks are some of our most popular for residential, and weekly, depending on the size of the location of a building or office, can be weekly. So having recurring services, it really helps us to maintain your business and your home beautifully. And it also keeps the length of time that we're in the facility or in your home cleaning down for you. So if you would like to use our cleaning services more sporadically, each visit will take longer. And if you have to come to us regularly, so the more time between appointments, the more buildup there will be. The next question is, how long do regular cleanings take? Each home or business is unique. Because of your home or your business specific needs, it may take more or less time for us to clean your home or your business compared to someone else's. But as we get to know your home, it'll be quite consistent, and it won't take as long. So without cleaning the space first, it can be very difficult to estimate the exact time that it will take, as it really depends on how the condition is of the business or of your home. The next question is, are pets at home okay? We love our pets, but you know your pets better than we do. So if your pet is comfortable being around new people, especially those making noises or vacuuming, mopping, etc., then we are okay in large with having a pet. But we recommend, as a general rule, that you do put your pets up before we come in and we clean. The next question is, are you bonded and insured? We are bonded and insured. And one reason why we are the #1 trusted cleaning company is because we can provide proof of our insurance if requested. We are absolutely happy to provide it. Do you change linens or do laundry? Regardless of linen changes, beds will always be made. If you would like to leave fresh linen on your bed and you request us to change them, we will surely take care of that for you. If you do not have a spare set of linen to use, we can launder them also. Just make sure to let us know, and additional laundry can be done as well, but you must communicate this with us in advance to ensure that we account for enough time to complete the task. Do you need to be home or at your business for cleaning? No, only if you would like to be. Upon booking, we will ask you if you will be home or at your business for cleaning. And if not, we will just require that you provide a way for us to enter your home at a specific time. How does booking work? Once you fill out your easy estimate request form, we will contact you within 24 hours with an estimate, or we will send it to your email. We will also clarify any details needed at this time. So once you book your cleaning, you will receive a confirmation email along with our client guidelines for you to sign and return to us prior to your cleaning. That's it. Now you can get back to your more exciting things in life. The next question is, what if I want something done that's not on a checklist? We are always open to requests, so please don't hesitate to ask. We pride ourselves on being accommodating. So as long as here at MacMaids we're able to complete the tasks and we have the right tools and training, we will gladly add extra tasks to your cleaning. What if I just want to book a few hours of cleaning with you? Absolutely. We have plenty of clients that request a certain amount of hours to stick within their budget, and we charge hourly. We will discuss a priority list for your visit to ensure that we hit those main areas in the time we have, but we do have a 3-hour minimum. How does payment work? After the cleaning, we will send an invoice to you via email, which is due upon receipt. Unless you are a commercial client and you have a different type of arrangement, You can pay with a debit or a credit card or a check after your service. If you do not have a debit or credit card or email, you can also stop by our office. However, that usually doesn't occur. What if I need to cancel my appointment? We understand that things come up and that life happens, and sometimes you need to cancel. In order to help and prevent any last-minute cancellations, you will receive an email reminder and a text notification prior to your cleaning. At MacMaids, we require a 48-hour notice for cancellation. Email or voicemails are acceptable, and all messages are stamped for accuracy. So at the time of cancellation, we will go over a time that works best to reschedule your cleaning. If you are unable to provide a 48-hour notice, you will be charged 25% of your cleaning, and any same-day cancellations will be charged 50% of the cleaning. All cancellations must be made through our office. What if something is broken or damaged during the cleaning? MacMaid only hires cleaners who have integrity. That means we shine a spotlight on an issue rather than sweeping it under a rug. If anything is broken or damaged, our staff are trained to photograph it and report it immediately, without being reprimanded. Each cleaner is careful and respectful of your space, but we are all humans, and let's be honest, accidents happen. Once the damage is reported to the office, we will contact you to discuss a quick and fair resolution. We will do our best to complete the repair or replace an item if it is broken. Each residential cleaner is fully insured, and therefore an insurance claim can be filed when applicable. If you have irreplaceable items, we ask that you put these away or in a safe spot to ensure safekeeping. Do your housekeepers or cleaners accept tips? Tips are never expected, but they are definitely greatly appreciated, and they are accepted. Most clients prefer to tip a little at the end of each cleaning, but some prefer to provide a large tip at the end of the year. We love hearing that our work is appreciated, and if you'd like to leave a review on our website or on our Google page, we greatly appreciate that as well. How often can you provide service? We can provide service as often as you would like. MacMaids is really happy to provide services weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even sporadically. Some clients request cleaning service for special events or move-in, move-out services as well. Whatever you need, we can accommodate you. That brings me to the end of our frequently asked questions. If there's something that I did not include, but if you have additional questions or you're ready to book your cleaning, please make sure that you click get an estimate, and we will be more than happy to provide cleaning for you. We look forward to partnering with you soon.